निवृत्त ICAR-CCAI-चे मुखेल शास्त्रज्ञ AR देसाई हांणी सांगले, काजू सफरचंदाचो उपयोग फेनी भायर पोषक आणि विंगड खाद्यपदार्थ तयार करपाक मेळटा.
I had been working on cashew crop for the last 25 years. In the process, we have developed a lot of varieties suitable for Goa and cashew apple utilization. With regard to this also, we have made some. And cashew apple, besides being used for making fenny, it can also be used for non-alcoholic products. So that it can be utilized by other states also and here also for diversified product making. So like that we standardized technology called cashew apple crunch, which is for which the basic raw material is cashew apple, and the cashew apples are steeped in through osmosis, steeped in sugar solution for a period of time, then they are dehydrated and without any addition of the preservative, chemical preservative, very nutritious, very useful product like cashew apple crunch can be made. The technology is standardized and Goa Biodiversity has already taken it up for promoting and popularizing it among the self-help groups. So that way, cashew apple also can be used for making such diversified products. Besides that, our another agriculture processing engineer also has standardized the utilization of the cashew apple pomace, means after extraction of cashew apple juice from fenny, that pomace can be utilized for making different products like after powdering it can be used as a subsidiary ingredient for making bakery cookies, biscuits and all that. And even the plastic like substance also can be made out of this pomace, which otherwise simply wasted. So these kind of technologies are there. Besides that, even the Directorate of Cashew Research located in Karnataka and place called Puttur, they also have standardized many technologies for, it's also ICAR Institute, they also standardized many technologies for utilization of cashew apple. This is just some information on utilization of cashew apple. Besides its utilization mainly in Goa for making fenny.
So how is the response for this product?
No, cashew apple crunch, that's what I said. Goa State Biodiversity Board has taken up the technology for promoting and popularizing through involvement of self-help groups. So already it is there. They are making a product and promoting this product under the name Goan product.
So are the demands are there?
No, actually yes, there is demand. Only thing, many people are not aware. Even it can go as a souvenir from Goa because it's totally a new kind of a product. It can be promoted through stalls in airports because it's a new product. So that way, even not only in Goa, even people from other states also can come to know about it.
What's your good name?
And the entrepreneurs have to come forward. It's a very easy technology, not involving very high equipments and all that. It's very simple and easy technology. One interested entrepreneurs can visit ICR located in Goa, Old Goa, and have they maybe very nominal charges to be charged. They can have a memorandum of agreement or understanding. So they can take that from technology or they can undergo training. So they can utilize this technology for commercialization.
So what's your good name?
No, I am AR Desai. I am retired principal scientist.